Hello everyone, I'm Dilasha Kharel and welcome to Feel and Believe Tarot. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and join the family. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I also offer personal readings, so if you'd like to contact me for personal readings, you can check the description box below for my mail ID, and also you can contact me on my Instagram page. The link to my Instagram page is also in the description box. Now, this is a general reading, so the messages may or may not resonates with you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So, today's reading is about the October monthly prediction for the zodiac sign of Scorpio. So, let's see, Scorpio, what angels have in store for you in the month of October. So, we will look into the messages from the angels' answers from the life purpose and the romance angels later. First, let's start with the tarot deck. So, Scorpio, from the tarot deck, we have for you the Two of Cups. Okay. Then we have the Ace of Wands. Okay. We have the Queen of Cups. Then we have the Seven of Swords. Okay. We have the Eight of Pentacles. Then we have the Fool card. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Ten of Wands. Okay. And we have the King of Cups. Okay. So, Scorpio, I feel that the month of October, it is going to be about new beginnings. Yes, positive new beginnings. So, yes, I feel that for those of you who are single, yes, someone new could come into your life in the month of October. Yes, and that relationship is going to be a soulmate relationship. Yes, you both are going to feel a sense of belonging when you first meet each other. Yes, and there is going to be like equal amount of respect and love and care for each other. Yes, a very beautiful relationship is coming towards you. And also, for those of you who are already in a relationship, yes, you people could be taking your relationship to the next level, perhaps engagement or marriage as well. Yes, you could be thinking of starting a family as well. Yes, for those of you who are already married, yes, it is also possible. But yes, a very beautiful relationship is coming your way. And yes, for some of you, like, it could be for very few of you, uh, you know uh, it could be like a same gender relationship as well for very few of you. And also, I feel that your love, your relationship is going to be a very beautiful one. So some people might they might be jealous about your relationship, the love and the connection you share with your partner. So I feel that a motherly figure, uh, possibly a mother as well, uh, that person could be very interfering in your relationship, and that person could also be a very manipulative as well. Yes, and for very few of you, I feel that you could be in a third party situation as well. Yes, and yes, at your work, yes, there are going to be new beginnings in the month of October, Scorpio. Yes, you are going to have a lot of ideas, a very creative ideas as well. And I feel that some of you could even, think of uh, starting your own business as well. And I feel that some of you might think to pursue, your business, your career. uh, you know you could turn your hobby into your business as well. Yes, and you are, going to be very ambitious and very passionate about what you are going to do. Yes, I can see that you people are going to work really hard, yes, in the month of October, to build that finances, to, yes, to get that success in your work. Yes, and also I feel that, the area, the path of work that you choose to do, it might not be an easy one. Yes, but you are going to reap success and rewards for your work. Yes, and also financially also, you people are going to be, very sound in the month of October. Yes, and yes, also, you know people, they could be, talking a lot about you. Yes, but I feel that in the month of October, you people are going to be, very carefree, and you are going to ignore their drama and, that negativity. Yes, you will be very focused and very dedicated towards your work. Yes, and also, for some of you, those who are in a relationship, yes, some people could try to manipulate, interfere in your relationship. So yes, you people are going to, ignore other people's comments and their, drama as well. Yes, and also, at your work, in your career, in business, yes, I feel that you people are going to have, a lot of responsibilities. Yes, you are going to put that extra effort at your work as well. But yes, you are going to be very successful in what you do. Yes, and you are going to be, you know, uh, you are going to reap financial rewards as well. And also, you people are going to, get that recognition as well for your work. Yes, and yes, a very beautiful time is ahead for you. Yes, now let's see what messages we have for you from the romance angels. So from the romance angels, we have for you: make the effort. Okay, then we have forgiving and learning. Okay, and we have engagement. Okay, we have very soon. Then we have retreat, and we have let go of control issues. Okay, so Scorpio, angels, they are guiding you that in the month of October, yes, you people need to make that effort, and you people need to make that forward movement as well. Yes, uh, and also, yes, you people need to express your love and feelings towards your partner. Yes, and also, angels, they are guiding you that you need to release, any negative emotions towards your partner as well. Yes, and you need to heal yourself from the past and any past pain and hurt, so that you both could experience more love in your present moment. And yes, as I told you earlier, some of you could be taking this relationship to the next level, and also someone new is going to come into your life to offer you their love. Some of you could be getting some marriage proposals as well. So yes, you people are going to take your relationship into the next level. Some of you might get engaged as well. Yes, and also angels, they are asking you that you need to be very clear in your mind, in your heart, that what is that you want in a relationship, in your partner, so that it comes towards you. Yes, because uh, you know uh, as you ask angels, what is what that you want, then you are going to receive those blessings from them. And yes, very soon that person is going to come into your life. And also I feel that yes, some of you, you both could go, you know uh, for some holiday. Yes, with your partner. Also, for those of you who are married and in relationship, yes, you both could travel somewhere. I feel you both could travel overseas as well in the month of October. Yes, and also for those of you who are in a relationship where somebody else uh, are trying to create some problems in your relationship, then yes, you both need to disconnect yourself from other people and spend some time with each other and make the effort to work this relationship, because you people have a very beautiful relationship, Scorpio. And also you need to let go of any control issues. That is what angels are guiding you. Yes, and you also you need to uh, allow uh, allow the situation to unfold on its own. Yes, and yes, a very beautiful time is ahead. So yes, be very clear about what is that you want, because it is going to come towards you very soon. Now let's see what messages we have for you from the life purpose oracle. So from the life purpose we have for you, Scorpio, environmentalist. Okay, then we have family. Okay, then we have practice. Okay, we have trust. Okay, and we have author. Okay, so yes, Scorpio, angels, they are guiding you that yes, you know uh, your your love and your love and your nature, to uh, love towards animals and towards the environment. Yes, that is is going to help. So yes, Scorpio, so some of you could be an environmentalist, or you know s- or in the month of October, some of you uh, might spend some time in the nature. And also you people could teach other people about the protection of nature. Yes, and also you people have love towards animals. And yes, you some of you could actually start some business related to animals as well. Yes, and also we have the family card. So yes, uh, for some of you, loving your family, spending time with the family, that is going to be the main focus in the month of October. And also with the family card, I feel that some of you could be planning to start your family as well. Yes, and yes, know that angels, they are guiding you and they are supporting you in whatever is that you choose to do. Yes, and also we have the practice card. So yes, some of you, you could be yes, practicing, and you could work upon that skill that you have. Yes, and you could be pursuing your career, um, yes, in the skills that you possess, that you have. Yes, and also we have the author card. So yes, some of you, you could even yes, you could even start writing as well. Yes, it could be some, yes, you could start some online uh, business related to writing. Yes, you could start some blog as well, I feel. Yes, or some of you, yes, you could even start writing a book as well. Yes, that is also possible, because angels, they are uh, asking you that, yes, they are telling you that for some of you, you have experienced a lot in your life. Yes, and you need to express that, you need to share your knowledge and your teachings with other people as well. Yes, to help other people. And also we have the trust card. So angels, they are guiding you that you need to trust your feelings, your inner voice, and you need to have faith and trust your dreams, so that whatever path you choose to work upon, yes, you are going to be successful. Yes, so you need to have that trust in your own self as well. Yes, that is what angels, they are guiding you. Now let's see what messages we have for you, what guidance we have for you from the angels answers in the month of October. So we have for you, Scorpio, recovery. Okay, then we have if you believe. Yes, and we have communicate clearly. Okay, so Scorpio, angels, they want you to know that if some of you are, if some of your health is not, if you are not feeling well, then yes, in the month of October, your health is going to improve a lot. And also, if you are worried about, health of a loved one, someone from your family, yes, from your family member, then know that angels, yes, they are going to make their health well as well. Yes, that person is going to recover. Yes, their health is also going to improve. And then we have if you believe. So angels, they are asking you that you need to have faith in your own self, and you need to believe that whatever is that you choose to do. Yes, in your work, in your relationship as well. So whatever is that you choose to do, you need to believe that it is going to be successful. And as you stay positive, and as you have faith in angels, and as you have faith in your own self as well, then yes, you are going to have that success, yes, coming towards you. Yes, and angels, they are going to bless you with what is that you desire. Yes, and angels, they are asking you that you need to stay positive, and also you need to start thinking about that success. You need to visualize that success, and if you keep believing it that you are going to be successful, then yes, it is going to come true for you. And then we have communicate clearly. So angels, they are asking you that in the month of October, you need to be very careful about your communication, your words with other people. Yes, because sometimes it might happen, like we try to say something, and there could be some misunderstanding because the other person could take it some other way. So yes, you need to be very careful with your words. And also, I feel that with this card, that some of you, you need to be clear about, you need to be, very clear about what is that, you are going to take from other people as well. And for those of you who might, have that people surrounding you who are really jealous, who try to uh, bring you down into some lower energies, then you need to communicate clearly with them as well, I feel. So with this card, yes. So yes, a very beautiful time is ahead for you, Scorpio, in the month of October. Yes, you people are going to be in a soulmate relationship, and at your work, in your business as well. A very beautiful time is ahead. Yes, you people are going to recover as well. Your health is going to be very strong and vibrant. Yes, so yes, keep believing that you are going to have that success, and have faith and trust in yourself and in angels. So yes, that was all for you, Scorpio. I hope that the messages resonated with you, and I hope you like my reading. So if you like my reading, then please do like this video and also share this video. And if the messages resonated with you, if you like my reading, then please do let me know in the comment section. I would love to read your comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, because it helps our energies to get connected, and I can give you more messages and guidance that you need to hear from the angels. So yes, that was all for you, Scorpio. I hope you all have a good day, and I hope you all have a great month ahead. May angels always bless you all. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one.